Hello students, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Today I want to discuss one topic, hike prices. Perhaps you know what is the hike prices?
Yes, sir.
This time you see hike prices is increasing day by day. Okay, I mean to say महंगाई. So today I want to discuss with few students what's the main problem hike prices is increasing day by day. So would you like to speak as a topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then first of all, I would like to call Simran. I want to know what's your opinion about the hike prices.
May I have your attention, please? Good morning, all of you. Myself, Simran Kumari. I am from Berger, respected sir, and my dear friend. Today, I am going to speak about hack prices. So, if I commit mistake, please excuse me. As all of you know that nowadays hack prices is essential commodities are increasing day by day. Living has become
May I have your attention, please? It's my first deliver a speech. Myself, Anshu Kumar from Rajdhanwa. Today I am going to speak about high prices. If I commit mistake, please excuse me. As all of you know that nowadays high price is increasing day by day. Living become a quite quite nowadays, and due to high prices, the farmers and low categories people are unable to fulfill their requirements and unable to get their requirements easily because they have no source of income properly. As all of you know now that India, perhaps we know that India is a poor country and half of its population live in poverty life because due to the hike in prices, the condition of villagers, farmers and low income people are very bad. And as we know that in past days the price of tomatoes are touched in the sky, and now decreased up to the low level. That's why, because the supply of vegetables were not increasing that time, but now the supply of vegetables increasing day by day. So due to this, the high price is increasing day by day. That's all. Have you any question?
What's the reason?
Speak loudly.
May I know what's the reason hike prices is increasing day by day?
Nowadays high price is increasing day by day because the price of vegetables and essential commodities are increasing day by day, and supply of these fruits vegetables are low in the market. Thank you.
Thank you, Ansu. You tried to speak very well. But something, first of all, you become the fearless. Okay? When you come here, then you begin to fear. This is not fair. Coming the time, I think you become the well. Next student, I would like to call Anu. Would like to speak something about the hike prices. Can you tell me what's the reason hike prices is increasing? So first of all, I want to know what's your opinion about the hike prices. Please come.
Good morning, all of you. Today I have given one interesting topic, hike prices. Myself, Anukumari, and I am from Navadi. Respected sir and my dear friends, today I am going to speak about hike prices. So if I commit mistake, please excuse me. There are many problems which India is facing. Hike prices of essential commodities is one of them. Hike prices means rising prices of essential commodities. There are, as all of you know that there are many problem which India is facing. High prices of essential commodities is one of them. High prices means rising prices of goods. As all of you know that nowadays high prices of essential commodities are increasing day by day. There are many things whose price are high in the sky. The people of fixed income group like salaried people, farmers, workers have to suffer from this problem, and there are lot of things the poor people who are unable to buy such type of thing. And I think the main reason of high prices is the growing population. The population of our country is increasing day by day, but the production of things does not increase at the same speed. And the black marketers and holders are also responsible for this. That's all. Anyone have a question?
May I know what's the reason essential commodities prices are increasing sharply?
Yes, of course. In my opinion, I think the prices of essential commodities are increasing because the demand is high and the supply is not high. I mean to say that the production of essential thing is not at the same speed of like population. That's why I think.
According to you, government is also responsible for increasing hike prices.
Yes, in my opinion, the government is also responsible for this to some extent. I think the government is responsible because they impose taxes on essential thing which is not good, and that's why the poor people have to faces many problems and their income is not good. So
Thank you, Anu. You have spoke well. Presently, high prices is increasing. But this is the also responsibility for government because they never think what types we should provide for the people. Only they give the big speech but doing nothing. One more student I would like to call Mr. Akash. I want to know what's your opinion about the high price. Please come and tell me something.
May I have attention, please? Good morning, all of you. Myself, Akash Kumar Bharti. I am from Karodi. I am going to speak about high prices, so you come and please excuse me. All of you nowadays, high prices of essential commodities is increasing day by day. Living has become quite a costly this time. The low-income groups and the salary class are the most suffer. In recent year, the price of essential commodities have gone up sharply. The people of cooking pulses and vegetable have registered a sharp rise. Take as an example, this time the price of tomato and other vegetables are high in the sky. The price of tomato is 140 rupees per kg. It is impossible to for the people dreams of a new and perhaps dreams of a new and happiest life. India have been totally blamed. The price of car, computers and TV have gone down, and the price of rice, tea, salt and pulses have shown an abnormal rise. That's all my topic. So if you want to ask me any questions.
Of course, I want to ask question, Akash. My question is, what's the reason people have been living costly this time?
Thank you, Ankush. I would like our question. Of course, the people have been living costly this time because, in my opinion, this time the price of everything is increasing day by day, and also daily uses item. So I think the people living costly this time.
Akash, can you tell me why the any people don't want to work in farm?
I think the reason of very simple. I want to take an example. At the present time, in my state, I mean in my place, it has not been running for 2 hours. So most of the people don't want to do work because they think that there are no any benefit from the farming. So most of the people don't want to do farming.
Start. May I know how can you say that the low income groups are suffer?
Of course, low income group is suffer of high prices because they are no any source of advance income, so they are suffering from the high prices. Anyone man or questions? No. Thank you.
Thank you, Akash. You have spoke well, but till now I see you have problem of hesitation. Okay. Why do you think? What will happen if I speak? I will speak wrong here. You never think. Only think whatever I am speaking, this is the right. Okay. Next time you will improve. Yes. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
The next time you try to improve, and many students who never speak the topic, this is not fair. Today I would like to call one more student. You are lazy boy. So today you don't become the lazy. You come and try to speak. Come on. What's your name?
My name is Sahar.
Sanwaj. Come on. I want to listen.
May I have your attention, please? Good morning, all of you. Myself, Sanwaj Ansari from Lal Bazar. I'm going to speak about hike prices. As all of that nowadays.
High prices is increasing.
Nowadays, high prices is increasing. Essential commodities are increasing day by day, living and
बोला। तो आप तुम लोग को पता चल गया होगा कि जैसे हम लोग क्रिकेट मैच देखते हैं क्या, कहीं छक्का नहीं लगा पाया बैट्समैन, आउट हो गया तो हम लोग यहीं से बैठे बैठे क्रिटिसाइज करने लगता है कैसा खेलता, हम रहते तो मत पूछो। अभी पता चल गया होगा कि व्हेन यू बिगिन टू स्पीक द टॉपिक देन यू बिगिन टू हेजिटेट। या एम राइट? व्हाई यू आर हेजिटेटिंग? बिकॉज व्हेन यू कम देन यू बिगिन टू फियर एंड दिस इज द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम। इन द सेम वे कोई भी जो अच्छे बैट्समैन होते हैं वो कभी नहीं चाहते कि हम तुरंत जाए आउट होके आ जाए, बट दिस इज द नेचुरल गेम, कभी आउट हो सकता है। इन द सेम वे आप यदि यहाँ बोलने लगते हैं तो आपको सोच में पड़ जाता है आपके क्या बोलना चाहिए। सो नेक्स्ट टाइम एनी हाउ यू विल इम्प्रूव। रोचक, वन मोर स्टूडेंट, यू नेवर स्पीक, यू ऑलवेज बिगिन द हेजिटेट एंड यू ऑलवेज बंग। यू नो व्हाट इज द हिंदी मीनिंग ऑफ बंग? हमेशा भागना। आज तुम नहीं भाग सकते। कम ऑन।
May I have your attention, please? My name is Rochak Anand from Kirihari. I am going to tell something about hike prices. Nowadays, hike prices is gone up sharply. The low income groups and low salaries are living worse suffer. In recent year, as you know that nowadays high prices are increasing, the living is being costly, the essential commodity is increasing day by day, the low income groups and salaries are living costly in this time. They don't
सामने देखो।
sorry guys, I couldn't prepare my topic, so I can't speak.
So have you seen one Rochak came, but he began to hesitate. Why? Before coming the camera, he begins to think, what should I speak? क्या? Am I right? यही है सबसे बड़ा बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम। जब तक आप रिमूव नहीं करेंगे, देखो बहुत ऐसे लोग यूट्यूब को देखते हैं, वो चाहते हैं कि हम वहीं से इंग्लिश सीख जाए, बट इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल विदाउट प्रैक्टिसिंग। दिस टाइम दिस इज अ प्रैक्टिकल क्लास। टू टाइप्स ऑफ क्लास गोज। क्या दो तरह का जाता है क्या? वन प्रैक्टिकल एंड सेकेंड थियोरिटिकल। प्रेजेंट टाइम आई सी स्टूडेंट्स ऑलवेज राइट एनीथिंग वेरी वेल, लेकिन हम आप लोग को बताए थे, हम लोग को ट्रेनिंग में एक बार बताया गया था एक वर्ड सुब्बोपली। यू नो व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ सुब्बोपली? सुब्बोपली मीन्स first of all, if you want to speak the well English, yeah, anything, if you want to speak, then first of all you try to listen. Su means सुनना, प है ना means क्या था, पढ़ना. आफ्टर दैट क्या है, ओ सॉरी, सुबोपली, पहले सुनना, सु बो यानी बोलना. कोई भी चीज को पहले सुनिए, आफ्टर दैट स्पीकिंग कीजिए यानी बोलिए, आफ्टर दैट पढ़िए यानी पढ़ना, अंत में लिखना. लेकिन हम लोग कहाँ से बिगिन लेते हैं? वी बिगिन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट, देन रीड, देन स्पीक एंड नेवर लिसन. क्या सुनने को काम नहीं करता? कभी भी देखो, हम लोग को सबसे बड़ा बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम होता है. बट आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू, इफ यू वांट टू स्पीक वेल, देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you become the listener. Okay, don't become the speaker. You become the speaker when you begin to listen. तो आप लोग सुनने का काम नहीं करते. जब पढ़ाया जाता है कभी कभी लगता है ये दिस इज द इजी आई कैन डू. कोई भी काम इजी नहीं होता है. बस सोचिए दिस इज माय प्रैक्टिकल, देन आई हैव टू बिकम द लेबोरियस. ओके, द नेक्स्ट टाइम यू विल इम्प्रूव. हेलो गाइज, टुडे आई सॉ most of the students try to speak the topic about the high prices. Few students spoke well, few students couldn't speak well. Why? You know, if you want to speak, then first of all practice is the most important. So by the help of Gopal sir YouTube channel, I want to improve your English. And if you want to improve your English, then anything you have to do, first of all practical कीजिए. बिना practical का काम नहीं चलेगा. Thank you.